Hello the viewers, I'm Neha Deshpande, debutant of movie Dil Divana. Today I'm here to discuss and to share few views with you. So my movie is going to be released on Feb 7th in your theaters, and we have really worked hard for this, and I hope you people support us, encourage us and watch out our movie. I was a model for 5 years and then I've got into acting now. About me, I was a model for 5 years and now I've got into acting. It was like, once I got a call from Sri Bhavana Films asking for a movie, and then I came down here for audition where I got passed and then I signed the movie. Well, it was all about my director is Tuma Kiran sir. Firstly, I would like to thank him to choose me, to trust in me that I would take the character and I would go it in a right way. He had been really very supportive during the course of the shooting. As it was a debut movie for us, in the beginning it was a little bit difficult for us to tackle with the situation and carry on the same mood all over the day. So he has been really very supportive. I really thank him to make me look good on the screen. Well, my co-star is Rohit Madupu, Kritika Singhal and Raj Arjun. They are really my best friends now, I can say, and Kritika Singhal, she's my sister friend now. We had been like sharing so much of time, and we were like always hanging out. Even during the shoot on the sets also, we were like always into fun. It was nothing like working, but it was like very homely thing, and I really loved it. Music, it was done by Ram Narayan. We call him as Nani Anna. He's like really amazing, the music. As you can see, the audio launch and also the platinum disc, it has been really successful, and we are going hopefully higher into the music, and people liked us, accepted us, so we are very happy about it. Sing for you, well, I can sing for you my song which I have like acted in the movie, that is Divana. अरे रे नी चूपुले कदिलिदे ना कल्लके नी दारिलो अडुगे कदिलिने ना मौनमे पेदवे नेडिदे. That was the female version, and this is the male version, which I don't know. Well, there were many memorable incidents, but then I can remember one memorable incident. That was we were having a shoot. It was a set where all the 4 debutants were working on it, and that was like a home party, and then it was really like a party to us because we weren't actually shooting, we were partying and they were like shooting us. So when a director used to tell cut, still we were like going on with the party. We weren't like stopping at all. That was really very fun day among all the shooting days. So yes, that's a very memorable incident to me. Production, I must say, it was very comfortable for us every day, right from the beginning till the end. We were never left with anything lagging behind. Whatever we wanted, it was provided to us, and we thank for this to Mr. Raja Reddy sir, to make us very comfortable. He used to always look after me and Kritika like his own daughters, and that was like very comfortable for us. Camera work, you must have seen the trailers and all, and you could have already certainly guessed that it's like really beautiful. There are like many bright colors in it. It was done by Jaipal Reddy sir. He is really very much focused onto it and pretty much good into the work, and so it has turned out to be amazing, which you are going to see very soon on 7th. Well, Dil Divana is very apt for the movie because once you see the movie, certainly your Dil is gonna be Divana. and well, it's actually a love story. So I think so. Dil Divana is right, because here it is about the hearts. It is about the feeling. The movie is about all feeling. When it comes to the love, your family, your career, it's all related to the feeling things. So I think so. The title is apt. Dil Divana. After this movie, I would certainly go for many other big roles, many other challenging roles, because I like to experiment. I like to give my best to the audience, to all my viewers. So I promise you that certainly I'm coming up with a good thing, which you would love it. Well, I was into modeling since my 10th. In my 10th I did my first ramp walk, and then I got slowly down here. Before I was a dancer, I was learning dance, and then I got a chance for modeling, so I got in modeling, and after that now I got chance for the acting. So I'm into this. Well, there is a little bit of dance movement in my song Divana, which you'll see it very soon. But then it wasn't for a very long time. It was for a very short duration of time, but still I loved it. Well, audience, all the viewers, I would request you to watch us out, because we have really put in our hard efforts, and as a good friends, and as everybody, please support us. We need your support, as we are the debutants. Take us high. Thank you so much.